Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl today and I'm back with another video. Before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification and say hi to Liam. So today I will be heading to my undergrad college to host a talk that I'm very excited about. So it's a talk for entrepreneurship and business owners. I am so honored to be asked to come back to speak on this and just to see that my hard work is paying off. It makes me so happy. So let's be on the way.
Hold on, fuck that.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like picket fences.
Okay, y'all, we got a professional photographer right here. Okay, get into it. Hey! Okay, we got the stickers.
Yeah,
Okay,
so this
she's
is the
pulling
one
out with
I
them.
made for the church, and then I have other designs. I made this for a band on campus.
Okay, get into her stickers, y'all. This is Josie's Closet. It's a thrift shop, y'all. So do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Stevenson, and this is No Umbrella.
Yes, get into the hoodie.
I'm the hoodie, get in the hoodie. Come on, we got more right here. We got more right here. We got, don't forget the little guy right there.
Okay, get into it, y'all. And the cute little tote up there. Okay, and we got hot sauces over here. She makes these herself. And this is amazing. This is so much talent. Cause girl, I can't knit for nothing. Crochet for nothing. Oh, this one fell out. Hey y'all, hey, so I am on the train heading back home. I wasn't able to get any clips of me doing the talking session and hosting the lunch with an entrepreneurship conversation because we were into the conversation and I didn't want to stop, pull up my camera, it takes away from the moment. But these are some pictures that my friend got. It was amazing. It was great. It's funny because I was speaking to one of my friends just saying like, you know, sometimes I do feel like my hard work is not showing off, and it was great to see when a fellow friend of mine and also someone I went to college with like see me grow as an individual and saw me where I started in college to who I am now. And say like, we see you, like people see you, and for them to pick me as a guest speaker and to create me as the host for their first community house market event for small businesses and entrepreneurs, it feels amazing because all my hard work is like, it's so nice to see young people, I'm young, but like people in undergrad starting up a business and embarking on an entrepreneur journey, and just seeing them do that and see a program that I wish I had when I was in college. It was just so nice, and it was so great, and just to hear them speak on their business and why they started. A lot of them started their brands because they felt like there was something missing in that field, or they created a product and a brand to bring a community together. It was just like so nice, especially seeing people of color. Yeah, like that was like probably my first speaking gig. My first speaking gig ever. I've done speaking things before. I've been on panels and stuff like that before. But I got paid to do something I truly love. So yeah, like I'm really excited. I just been blessed, okay? January I was blessed with a Black History Month campaign. This month I was blessed with a speaking gig. The year it just started off beautifully for me, and it's gonna continue to be that way. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you next time because this man next to me has his phone on speaker, so y'all probably hear the whole conversation. I'll see y'all. Bye.